welcome back. Now I am going to tell a C++ program to find the largest number among 5 integers. Now let us consider the 5 integers b, a, b, c, d and e. Now we can find the largest integer among the 5 members by using a function called max function, which is max function. By using max function, we can find the largest integer among 5 members. Okay? Now the logic. Now we'll explain the logic. Yes. Now for finding the maximum number among 5 integers, first we should compare the two integers. Maximum number of two integers. So here the maximum number of two integers a comma b can be stored at value r. Okay? Now the maximum number in the a and b is stored at r. And again the maximum number of r comma this, if it is the maximum number r comma b, c. And this is the, like this we can find the maximum number between the 5 integers. Now let us start writing a simple C++ program to find the largest among the 5 integers using a max function. Okay, let us start writing a simple C++ program to find the largest integer among 5. First, let us start the program with header files, which is nothing but #include IO stream. Here #include IO stream is a preprocessor directive which includes input and output statements, and we should write using namespace std. Here using namespace std is used to reduce the name conflict, right? And to find the largest among 5, start writing a C++ program and writing a main function. Int main, and declaration here, data type is int. As we discussed earlier, a comma, b comma, c comma, d and e, and the biggest number. Okay, here the biggest number. Next, cout statement. You should write here cout statement, which is the output statement in the C++ language. Cout, enter 5 integers. Cout, this is the output statement which we get in the output screen. Next, cin. To read the values, we use the cin function. A, b, and e. These functions which are given as input is read in the statement cin. And now we should calculate the maximum number among the 5. So we should write the logic here. Logic biggest equal to, as I discussed earlier, maximum of e comma maximum number of b comma maximum number of c comma maximum number of a comma b. This we write here. Means it calculates the maximum number of e. First it calculates from the left to right, the execution starts. Maximum of a comma b is stored here, and it compares with the c number. For this, the maximum of numbers, 2 numbers. The maximum of, suppose the maximum of a and b is b, it compares the c and b again. And again it comes to maximum of d, and which is maximum in between c and d. And again it checks this. Like that, the maximum of e, comma, maximum of d, and so on, like this. This is the logic. Hope you understand. And now cout statement, biggest number. And this is the cout statement, biggest number. and close the bracket. Thank you. This is the simple C++ program using the max function to find the largest among the 5 integers. Thank you.